Hello guys, my name is Taboka John and I'm an aspiring actress. I'd really appreciate it if you voted for me because this really means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you.
Bugalo we. Baby, Taboka, really Bugalo. Wasimol, did you forget she was my cousin? Did you forget that? Really Bugalo. I'm sick and tired of this. For those 20 minutes, did you forget we were related? 20 minutes, I know how to count. I keep my time, okay? I can count. Bugalo, I'm sick and tired of you. I'm sick and tired of your games. Huh? How do you keep doing this? My cousin, my friend, what's next? My mother. Really, Bugalo, really. I don't even know why I bother with you. I don't even know why I keep wasting my time. I'm done. I'm done with this bull. I'm done with the, oh, baby, it'll never... What are you gonna do next? What? Mushibo thing. I can talk to him. Lebono helaha. Huh? Or should I bring up Sydney? Should I do that? Really? Is that what you want me to do now? Do you want me to degrade myself as well? I'm sick and tired of you, Bugalo. I don't want to play these games anymore. I'm done. Thank you.